Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Audi A3, then I'll take you for a drive in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 2-litre TDI S-Line, 3-door, 2009 on a 59 plate, has done 68,797 miles. Its MOT is till the 29th of the 7th, 2021, and it was last serviced on the 2nd of November 2019. At 65,035 miles. Performance and fuel economy. Urban 42.2 miles per gallon, extra urban 67.3 miles per gallon, and combined is 55.4 miles per gallon. It has a 0 to 60 time of 9.4 seconds, a top speed of 129 miles per hour out of a 138 brake horsepower 4-cylinder 16-valve engine. So it's finished in white with a black S-Line half leather interior. The big deep Audi grille, the front splitter, multi-spoke alloy wheels, the S-Line badges on the sides here. It has these wind deflectors here so you can crack the windows a little bit and not get a draft inside. Rear privacy glass, the side protective moulding, integrated tailgate spoiler. It's been de-wipered at the back quite tastefully. Looks the lines are cleaner without the rear wiper. Whether that's something you want or not, I'm not sure, but this hasn't got one. S-Line badge on the boot again. Plenty of room in the back. A rear load cover with it looks like a wind deflector or perhaps even a sunshade, so the back passengers don't get sun on their necks when you're travelling. So we've got the Audi key here and a proper ignition lock, a barrel with a key. The air conditioning is icy cold. Let me just check this. Height and reach adjustable multifunction steering wheel and a proper handbrake. Front central armrest here with well, that looks like one of the old mobile phone kits in there. Here we go. A CD radio. Good looking car, good colour combination. Obviously Audis are really nice to drive, very, very stylish, well finished off. Nice 6-speed gearbox. Good driving position. Let's just see. That's better. You see there the wind deflectors, which add to its good looks really. I'm not sure just how effective they are, but if you don't like them, if they're certainly great round town on the motorway. I'm not sure whether they cause more noise. And of course you've got the air conditioning too, so you don't really need to have the windows open to be nice and cool inside. Great engine, lovely turn of speed. Nicely finished with the aluminium bezels around the air vents. On the steering wheel here, you've got your S-Line badge on your steering wheel, on the front wings, on the tailgate, and I think they're also on the scuff plates as you're getting in. Got this gloss kind of, well, it's kind of black, kind of grey. Trim around the door handle, your global lock in here, and your electric windows and door mirrors there. We'll just make sure that the door mirrors are operating correctly. That one, yep, everything working fine there. CD radio there, the air conditioning switches are here. You've got a nice kind of concealed power socket there, and then in here you have an aux in plug, so you can play music through your stereo if you have an auxiliary cable for your mobile phone or MP3 player. Lovely day in the UK today. It's a bit cloudy, but we're expecting the hottest day of the year. And I did see somewhere that it was supposed to be 37 degrees. There's kind of a fly screen or mesh screen, which, as I say, I'm assuming it's so that you can it keeps the sun off the rear passengers' necks. Got a funny feeling Matto's going to do something desperate here. Yep, I was right. Got a big car and doesn't know how to drive it. I'm keeping away from caravans and camper vans for the foreseeable future. May have to do in fact I will do a drive past to make sure the motorway is not blocked today, because it is Friday, it is nice, and the motorway does get packed going towards the Lake District, and I think it's going to be today. So I'm not going to risk my luck. Yeah, I can. Oh dear, absolutely chockers. We'll go this way. On his way to an accident there. like the M61 is going to be blocked too. That's joining the M6 that way. And, all these people, although they're in this lane, they'll be trying to go across the way there and not actually join the traffic, just there you go, just cut through. There you go, yeah. So they're just stopping everybody turning left here. I'm assuming this taxi driver will be doing the same thing, because he's in a very, very strange position to go left. You know, I mean, are you going, you're indicating to go left. I don't want him to just cut in front of me. Nice and smooth. It's one great feature as well, which I forgot to mention. It's got Bose speakers. The radio is just set to radio 4 at the moment, so that's not going to be. I think that's mostly talking. Just try and find a music channel. Actually, I don't want that. I'll just move this up. From the steering wheel. I don't know why they do that, because you know, if you turn it down, and all radios seem to do that these days, you turn it down but then you do another operation, the radio comes on, which is mildly annoying. So it's on radio 1. Just I don't know what that record is. It sounded awful. As I say, couldn't really go for a long drive up the motorway, but it does drive very, very nice. We just managed to catch the train going by too. Actually, I'll play this music because that's radio 2. Okay, no point sitting here waiting for the train, I don't think. So I'll finish the test drive here. Just ask you if this car's not suitable for you. Check out our website, ggcars.co.uk, or if this car's gone when you're watching this video. Check out our website. We have a web store as well, and perhaps give us a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to the channel. GoPro's stopped recording.